History was presented to us as a straight line, from primitive tools to modern technology, from darkness to progress. But when you start looking closely at the architecture of the past, that story begins to fracture. Because some of the buildings we inherited don't look primitive at all. They look advanced. And that raises an uncomfortable question. If the past was so simple, why does its architecture look so sophisticated? Across the world, there are structures that seem strangely out of place. Star forts visible from the sky with perfect geometric symmetry. Cathedrals carved from stone with astonishing precision. Massive domes, towers, and monuments built long before modern machines. The official explanation is simple: horse-drawn carts, basic tools, and enormous labor forces. But the scale, the complexity, and the consistency of these structures around the world suggests something else may have existed. Not a primitive civilization, but a forgotten one. There is another layer to this story. Because history isn't just a collection of facts, it's also a story we agree to believe. For generations, the past was framed as primitive. So that is how we learn to see it. But something unusual has begun happening. People all over the world are starting to notice the same patterns, the same architectural anomalies, the same strange historical gaps, the same questions that don't seem to have satisfying answers. It's as if perception itself is changing. And when perception changes, new possibilities begin to appear. A new tool has entered the picture: artificial intelligence. Feed an AI fragments of old maps, historic photographs, architectural blueprints, and forgotten engineering concepts. And it begins reconstructing cities and technologies that history says never existed. Is the machine imagining these worlds? Or is it helping us visualize possibilities that were always there? Because when myth becomes data and data becomes imagery, the line between speculation and rediscovery starts to blur. Look closely at many ancient buildings. The domes, the towers, the metallic spires reaching into the sky. Some researchers believe these structures weren't only architectural. They may have been part of energy systems, collectors interacting with the atmosphere. If that idea sounds impossible, remember something. Wireless electricity was demonstrated more than a century ago. The technology existed. The real mystery is why certain ideas disappear from mainstream history. Every civilization believes it represents the peak of progress. But history suggests something different. Knowledge appears. It spreads. Then it vanishes. Empires fall. Libraries burn. Technologies are forgotten. Centuries later, people rediscover fragments of what once existed. Maybe we are living through one of those moments now. A moment when the echoes of a previous world are beginning to surface again. If the past was more advanced than we were told, then the future might not be about inventing something entirely new. It might be about remembering, recovering ideas that were lost, re-examining the structures that surround us, and asking a simple question: what if history is not a straight line, but a cycle waiting to be understood again?